Crocus flowers, nature's precious harbingers of spring. As winter's chill slowly recedes and the days gradually lengthen, nature's remarkable resilience comes to life in the form of the crocus flower. These petite, yet striking blooms are the first signs of spring, pushing through the cold earth to announce the arrival of a new season. In this article, we will delve into the enchanting world of crocus flowers, exploring their history, significance, varieties, and the captivating beauty they bring to gardens and landscapes around the world. Crocus flowers have a rich history that spans centuries and cultures. Believed to be native to southern Europe and Asia Minor, they have been cultivated for their beauty and medicinal properties since ancient times. The word crocus itself is derived from the Greek word krokos, which refers to both the flower and the saffron spice extracted from the Crocus sativus variety. Crocus flowers hold a special place in the hearts of many, not only for their early arrival but also for the symbolism they carry. These flowers symbolize hope, rebirth, and the end of winter's darkness. Their vibrant colors, emerging from the cold and barren ground, remind us of the resilience of life and the promise of warmer days ahead. Crocus flowers come in a delightful array of species and cultivars, each with its own unique charm. Some common varieties include Crocus vernus, known for its larger blooms and bold colors. This species includes the popular Pickwick and Remembrance cultivars, Crocus chrysanthus. These crocuses are characterized by their early blooming and cheerful, yellow or orange blossoms. Snow bunting and gypsy girl are among the beloved cultivars. Crocus sativus, famous for its stigmas, which are harvested to produce saffron. This crocus boasts striking purple petals, Crocus thomasinianus, with slender petals and a naturalizing habit. This variety is a favorite for naturalistic gardens. Crocus seabury. These crocuses are known for their delicate, purple-blue flowers and are a lovely addition to any garden. Caring for crocus flowers is relatively simple. They prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Plant their corms, the bulb-like structures from which they grow, in the fall for early spring blooms. These low-maintenance flowers will reward you with their exquisite beauty year after year. Crocus flowers have also made their mark in the world of art and culture. From Vincent van Gogh's famous painting, Crocuses, to their role in literature and poetry, these blooms have inspired countless artists and writers, symbolizing the eternal themes of hope and renewal. In the early days of spring, when the world is still shaking off the frosty grip of winter, crocus flowers emerge as beacons of color and life. Their delicate beauty and enduring symbolism remind us of the inexorable cycles of nature and the promise of brighter days ahead. Whether nestled in a garden bed, dotting a hillside, or peeking through the snow, crocus flowers enchant all who are fortunate enough to witness their fleeting yet captivating presence.